grasslands black as night. 1,000 strong, a fearsome sight. Curved horns like scythe upon their heads. The hunter's nightmare, hunter's dread. Boss of bone, a helmet thick, moving with the herd so quick. Red eyes burning with ancient rage, Africa's most dangerous age. When one falls, they all will stand. United we make our last stand. Black death moving across the plain. Thunder hooves like pounding rain. Cape buffalo, wild and free. Brotherhood in unity. Never hunt alone, they say. When the hunt comes out to play. Black death, challenging every breath. Mudcake soldiers of the field, to no predator will they yield. Lions know to step aside when the buffalo take their ride. Old bulls with their battle scars, survivors under African stars. Memory long and temper short, this is buffalo's deadly sport. When one falls, they all will stand. United we make our last stand. Black death moving across the plain. Thunder hooves like pounding rain. Cape buffalo, wild and free. Brotherhood in unity. Never hunt alone, they say. When the hunt comes out to play. Black death, challenging every breath. In the heat of Kruger's sun, many battles lost and won. Duggar boys with nothing left, dangerous until they